Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to clear cache in the CapCut app. But before that, don't forget to subscribe and leave a comment down below, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy. So without further ado, let's just jump right into it. First, we have to open up the CapCut app. And here it opens up in the edit menu. From here we just go into the top right corner, tap on the hexagon. And then at the bottom we find clear cache. We can just tap on this, then tap on confirm, and the cache that the app has been using is going to be cleared. Yeah, if your app is working a bit slower, or you have some problems with it, you can just do this, and then it's probably going to get back to normal. So yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. Hope it was helpful for you guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.